Make my updated laundry detergent with me. You're going to need one of these soap bars if you want. I accidentally threw the packaging away, along with all of the ingredients shown here. You're going to grate this. This is too big, but it works. It's fine. Okay, so you can get a trash bag, a clean bin, anything like that. Our trash bags are scented. I just didn't want to use that. So you need a box of Arm & Hammer superwashing soda, a box of borax. It is a little dusty, so be careful. Next time, I think I'm going to pick a nice day and make this outside or put some sort of a mask on because it was really, the particles were flowing. You only need 1 to 2 cups of OxyClean. The recipe I found online called for 1. I'm going to use 2 and kind of customize this and make this our own. I feel like our laundry just gets really dirty, soiled. I went ahead and picked a scent of Unstoppables, Downy Unstoppables. You can use whatever kind you want. This one smells so good. My husband in particular didn't really want scented ones. So this one is a really light, mild scent. It just smells like clean laundry. It is not overbearing whatsoever. I just went ahead and added the entire container. The soap bar that I got, I did not realize was scented. It kind of complements the Downy Unstoppables that I went ahead and picked, so it worked. Next time, I definitely recommend finer grinding, getting these finer ground. But it works, whatever. I was kind of on a time crunch, so it's working just fine. And then you're just going to mix it. Now for the soap bar, the recipe I saw a lot, you want to microwave it first to soften it up before you grind it up. I did soften it for a little bit in the microwave. Now I'm going to tell you, your microwave is going to smell like that soap bar times 1,000 for quite a while. So here I'm just mixing it, mixing. I did end up also grabbing a spoon to just ensure it was double mixed. So again, when it comes to the soap, to grind it, you can put it in a food processor, you can microwave it and mash it, or grate it super fine. I have done quite a few loads of laundry since then, and they are coming out really, like they feel really clean, and they smell really good. I'm actually really impressed with this. You only need 1 tablespoon per load, 2 per heavy load, and this should last you anywhere close to a year depending on your family.